Hey guys, here I'm doing a review for Minibot um, robotic vacuum. It's pretty nice, amazing. Just to start up, full charge the whole battery for this, and then there's an on and off button to this. The design is super sleek. I'm just loving it. And here you go. It's all automatic, does a cleanup, really well job. Automatic ton. This is super nice. And then now done. There you go. Took almost 2 hours or 3 hours to do a full charge. 3 hours top for the full charge, and as soon as this the battery is totally drained out, it already came with the docking system. So because it's in the auto mode, it will come automatically when the battery is low and docked up automatically. It comes with the simple remote. This is the automatic button, so basically just press it and then it's do all the job automatically for you. Now this is the version 5 vacuum. This also comes with the tank for the water, which you can like fill it up, the water tank, and then the water will be clean. You can mop your floor as well. Now look at this, it's already going on the vacuum, on the carpet, and see, as soon as you saw the space, make a U-turn. The carpet is pretty not thick, but this guy can do the job. And everything automatically. I just loving this. Super neat one. Here is the bucket. So basically when you want to clean your trash, it's right here. Everything is gonna go here. You can see all the dust around here, and on the front, so the time I remove that bucket out, now I can put here's the space for the water tank, so you can put the water tank here, and then it does the same job. Also super easy to open and clean up the threads, so just press this button. Sorry, can't do it one. Sorry guys, 1 second. And this is the water tank, also came with this. Remember, this is the upgraded version of the Minibot. Here, if you want to clean it up, you can take it off the whole thing out, and you can clean up. It's easy to open and easy to put it back as well. Okay, and here you go. And here you go. Came in a nice box with all these tools and the things what I was looking for. Additional brush, additional spinners, additional brushes to clean up, and also it came with the pretty nice manual. It's easy to read, easy to understand as well, but you know, the time you start using it, you don't need this. And super easy to install and start up the whole thing. I'm super impressed with this.